Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance, and that is exactly what played out today, particularly during the first 30 minutes of the day. There was the gap down, and then on the bounce, you can see that's right where the price was rejected from, right around the 625 mark. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never get back up above that area of resistance. I'm just saying it makes sense and wasn't exactly shocking to see that the bounce from this morning did ultimately fail right up at that former area of support. So that is going to be the near-term level of resistance going forward. Again, right up there at $6.25. As far as levels of support are concerned from an overall perspective, nothing new here to report, assuming you've watched my past videos on this one. But if you haven't, then that's where the $6 mark is coming into play. That green line there, you go back through the history of the chart, and you can see there is quite a bit of solid bullish history of that area acting as support. Not saying the price heads down to $6, but if it does, we'll see if the price can produce another bounce like it's done in the past. Overall, though, what's looking like maybe starting to take shape here is just to really summarize the chart quickly, is a 30-minute channel pattern where the price just kind of hovers between these couple of areas. So again, from the resistance standpoint, or aka top of the channel, you have 625. From the bottom of the channel, area of support down there at $6. And it's kind of just a matter of waiting for something to happen. What do I mean by to happen? Well, two things: either a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside. But until there, not much else can be said. Now, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, then yeah, in here can be a great opportunity to flip back and forth. But assuming you care more so about the bigger picture of things, like I said, not much else can be said until some sort of either breakout or breakdown happens. But yeah, as of right now, looking like the easiest way to look at the chart is just a 30-minute sideways channel pattern. So we'll see how the week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.